Yeah, hence, so first what I do is I compile the MPLAB program, and once it's compiled I will export it. I will keep no user ID, I will not keep a square prom memory, and I will feed this address as 7FFE, and I say OK, and I will save it to trial_bl.hex. So now that we have created the hex file, I wanted to add the serial number to it. So I open this and I do Python id lock_2.py, which is the trial_bl.hex. Sorry, Python I want the serial number to be 16060010006. So now that it has been created, next I connect my picket, which is connected to the target, and I load the picket programmer software, that is MPLAB IPE. And so I connect to the picket. So now it has found it. So I import the hex file that we created, blf.hex. You can see it is just created now, 5:58 p.m. It's open, it has got open. Now I want to do in the advanced setting mode. I want to choose what all memories that will be programmed. So program memory, ESPROM, user ID, configuration memory, preserve ESPROM, preserve flash. And we want to preserve the flash from 8000 to 1FFFF. Yeah, and I say operate, and I say program. So it's getting programmed. Let's wait for it to finish. In the meanwhile, I'll go to the terminal and I will clear the screen so that we can look at a fresh screen. This is taking more time because we have asked it to preserve this 8000 to 1FFFF locations. It's almost done, I think. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so now I'll clean this up again. Now I'm going to reset by pulling out the picket, and you can see, I think we'll have to restart the terminal. So I'm at terminal 2, so we'll just give a reset to it by, and you can see that it is trying to send save and exit. So here, now on the server, I go to the place, so I copy an existing file, let's say 4.status to 6.status, which is the ID of our board. You can see here that the ID of the board is 16060010006, which is what we added to the hex file. Now I edit it, file, and I make it 6. This actually doesn't matter, but anyway, now we see that update is done, main is done. So now I run the server program. Okay, so here it is. You can see now in here I now press my action key and you can see it got a restart and the board restarted. And this is the data you're getting from your application program. Now we want to start an actual bootloader. So what I do is I reset the slave again. So now I get back my slave screen, and hence I go to the server now. I edit the status file to make this as update. I save this file. Now the server is set up to update. Our server program is running. So here now if I press this, now the update has started. You can see the server is sending data. You can see the sending address 8100. So it is sending application load.hex. So this would continue till the application is completely over. This would take about 10 to 15 minutes. So I will send you this video now, and then you can WhatsApp me and you can start doing it from your side. Okay.